Today we're looking at two sounds that we say down our nose. That's the ng sound and the nk sound. Ng and unk. Now, I wonder if you can guess which word has this sound at the end. I'm feeling really strong. Well done. I'm feeling really strong. That's got the ng sound at the end. Ong. Strong. Have a look at this. This is my pretty ring. That's right, ring. Which side should I put that? On the ng sound? Or is it an unk sound? Ring. Ring. Well done. I hope you got that right at home. R-ing. Oh, feeling really thirsty and need to have a drink. You've worked it out already at home, haven't you? Drink. One more. Have a go at this. Been playing cards and came across this one. What's this on my playing card? It's a king. King. K-ing. King. Oh, hang on. Someone's feeling left out. Who's this? This is my little elephant and he's got a trunk. 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 So, on the ng side, we've got strong, ring, king. And the unk sound at the end, we've got drink, trunk. Have a think and see if you can come up with some more ng and unk sounds. See you soon. Bye bye.